Not.
Hello students, good morning and welcome you to the online class of this second year batch, and I hope you stayed at home all these days and you remained healthy. At the same time, I hope you have enjoyed the holidays and you are very fresh now. So let me start the online class subject English. First, let me tell you that how many chapters you will have and also how many poems are there for you for this year's syllabus. And also it is total you have 14 chapters including the poems. And here passing English in the second year is very easy because 50% questions will be asked on the from the textbook chapters, and remaining 50% is about the grammar portion, is about the grammar portion. And grammar portion, whenever we say grammar, the children will be panicked. Grammar? No sir, this time grammar is also very easy. You need not be panicked. You need not panic. Because grammar this year is very easy. You will have 4 marks, one report writing, which is very easy, and also 10 marks passage writing. That is, they will give you a passage, you have to read the entire passage and answer the questions based on the story, which is very easy. This carries 10 marks, and 5 marks on letter writing will be there, and also 5 marks on direct speech and indirect speech. They give direct speech, we have to change into indirect speech. Such easy ones are there. And 1 or 2 questions they will give, that is jumbled words they will give. We have to arrange into a meaningful sentence, which you have done in your first PU. So it will not be very difficult for you. As I told you, report writing, then preface writing, letter writing, they are all very easy. Letter writing, you have learned the model, how to write a letter, official letter, how should you write. This you have learned in your first PU also. Same in the second PU, you will get that letter writing. Only it is direct and indirect speech you must take care of. It is from the chapters only. They will take a small 4 to 5 line paragraph which will be in the direct speech. You have to rewrite in the reported speech or indirect speech. This is only a 5 marks question. Here it will be a bit tricky, not difficult one. it will be a bit tricky. That is, you have to take care of. So, and in addition to this, 50 marks questions based on your textbook, in which 10 marks, 10 questions we have to solve carrying 1 mark each. There you have to write a word, a phrase or a single sentence. This is carrying 1 mark questions, 10 will be there. Then they are also very easy. 1 mark questions, they are very easy, sir. You will come to know later. You may think that sir says this and you may feel that they will be very difficult. No, sir. These 10 questions, each question carrying 1 mark, will be very easy. You have to write in a word or in a phrase or a single sentence.